hope you guys are having a good day and are making some really good trades here. And wow, what a move down in Bitcoin that we're getting right now. It definitely looks like we're gonna get even like more downside, even possibly past my target here of 59,000. I think that we could even come back down and fade the lows here at like 58k, or sorry 55k, or even 58k. So probably in this area, and try to stop out as many people. But again, remember guys, if we lose this pivot, oh, oh, not good. It's gonna be a dark day in Bitcoin, because at that point, this whole thing here is just a topic structure, and it's just gonna come back down to 40,000. And again, we really don't want that. But again, it's not what we want. It's just what the market is. And if it wants to dump down, then that's just what it's going to do. And it's dumping right now, right? I have a few longs going on some altcoins, but again, it may even cut if this keeps going. We made some good trades on Bitcoin Cash and stuff like that, but at the end of the day, we can't let things get too out of hand here. Let's see here. Bitcoin on a market cipher. So as you guys can see, let's start off with the larger time frames. The weekly looking extremely promising, right? And then what a dumpster fire of a week. So what a turn. And then the daily time frame, and not the daily time frame, but the 3-day is looking pretty awful right now, with a red dot confirmation that's going to close in 1 hour. Or sorry, yeah, basically not 1 hour, 1 day. 2-day also not looking too good. Red money flow. It just looks like it's just going to turn lower. Daily is already turning lower, and it is pushing lower at the moment. 4-hour time frame. You got that yellow cross with manipulation, showing that they are going to push it lower, which is exactly what's happening right now. We're at 60,700. And then you can get on the smaller time frames. You can see that we're probably going to bounce right around 60,000. But it's just a tough trade right now to try and long Bitcoin, and you're getting even more yellow crosses, right? You're getting more manipulation towards the downside. So I don't think the selling is over. We have bounced. We got so close to my buy area, and we had such a nice reaction off of it. I think that might have been the bounce that we were looking for, and now this is just another flush down lower. So if that's the case, then you got to be patient, and you got to wait for this downtrend to end. Essentially, take a look at the 4-hour, or on this 4-hour cycle. If this downtrend can break, right? Once you break this, the downtrend should be over, right? And you're gonna start a whole new cycle higher. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. That's most likely what's gonna happen. Like the same thing here that happened when you broke this 4-hour cycle. You got a little bit more upside, but with bearish divergence, that confirmed that we're gonna get a big pull down. That's kind of what happened. Went from 68,000 down to 63,000. You got another bounce higher once again. But again, with more bearish divergence, and it just completely failed. From 70k, it's now down to 60k. It's like a $10,000 difference at this point. Taking a look at wave edge. So on the daily time frame, no buying. No buying at the moment. Red crosses are playing out. 4-hour time frame, again, no buying. No buying. Couple green crosses, but those bounces have failed. 1-hour time frame, a little bit of buying here and there, not as much as the selling though. 30-minute, not even close, man. It's just, you're just reaching for anything at the moment. Okay, the 24-minute, they are starting to buy here. They are starting to accumulate some Bitcoin, so maybe we'll get a bounce sooner than later. But again, this could go on for a while on these smaller time frames. I wouldn't rely on these smaller time frames and base like a big trade off of it. You might as well just try scalping with if this is what you're making your trades on. So again, you'd have to get wave edge as well. Let's see where this pivot ended. So 60,500. We're starting to find some support there. Yeah, small reactionary bounce, but again, this should fail. We should probably go lower. And if we do go lower, let me see here. I think I got some targets written down. Probably right around 57,700. We should find a nice area of support. But at the same time, I would like to see it fade the lows right around 55k, and then a big bounce higher after that. That's my 2 cents. Again, we are in the buy area, but I wouldn't be surprised if it fails and it does an overshooting sea leg and it just extends lower and lower and lower and lower. Okay, so don't be surprised. Anyways, have a good evening, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.